fur from his head to his foot, and his clothes were all tarnished with ashes and soot.
Our school cares for and educates about 450 children from infant through grade 8. 40% of our school is a diverse population, and rightly so. That's why we're called World Academy. Our school mission is to serve, nurture, and educate children, the whole child. However, we are also very, very focused on helping children by supporting families. When we began this venture, we were looking for a program that would create balance. What we knew was that there were specialized programs at one end of the spectrum or the other. We came from early childhood programs, so we have always followed the child. We always have seen our children. Parents make a great deal of the decisions here along with the admin. We run the school with 8 administrators. Our babies learn sign language, so they're able to communicate from the get-go.
It has tape on it. Go ahead, you can open it.
And we really do work a lot on STEM initiatives, the science, technology, education, and math. And we start young with that. And we're always trying to be on the cutting edge, as you can see. We have a wonderful new facility. We doubled our facility in size. We were 25,000 square feet when we served children from infant through grade 3. We added our middle school that served children from grades 4 through 8. Have a dedicated science lab, a kiln for our artists, and a beautiful gym. What we want to do is make sure there's balance, that there is an opportunity for global success by being introduced to all of these things really at a young age.